Hello, my name is Igor Kotelevsky. I want to show you how we can create three-dimensional jungle bell in program PeyoteCreator. Now the program allows to create jungle belt something like this. This creation is based on the bell template. Now I want to show you how we can create new template. Run program, select my menu item new, select start with a geometric beard walk, next, select some palette, next, select design format jungle bell, any nickname, initial color, initial shape, apply. By default, program scans some predefined folder on hard drive and select template file which is located here. Now there is only one template with dimensions 18 by 42 for top and 13 for bottom height. Let us imagine that we want to create some new template. At first we want to create it in our mind or found somewhere. For example, we have next template in our mind and we want to put it in our program. Okay, we calculated the template size by width 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 23. Calculated height 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 31. Spacer, for example, 4 beards, and height of bottom part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. 17. And push button create template. It created two rectangles. Now we need to draw the shape on our template. There is instruction, which means that we need just to push on the top of beard. For example, one beard by height. If we want two, then push the 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, and just repeat this size. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Where is the top? Something like this. we need to draw this shape in our template. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 5. Something like this. Okay. Next, draw bottom part. Just push one bead, two beads, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same. Something like this. Okay. Next, we need to save our template for future use. Push save. Okay. Next, we can apply our template. And now we can paint our design. For example, use symmetric paint. etc. So now we can colorize our template and got ready jump bell. That's all.